Hi again, everyone. Today, I'm doing this little guy. Change him. I don't know if he's going to need a powdering or not. But we'll see. If he does, I'll powder him. He's another one of my silicones. And I don't know if I've said this before. He's kind of homely. He's cute in his own way. But he's missing quite a bit of hair. And I'm thinking, actually, of trying to reroot him myself. I've seen other women do it, and I won't know until I try, but I'm willing to give it a shot. So at some point, he's going to get more hair. The lady that done him sculpted him. Then she poured him. She does it all, everything by herself, on her own. The only thing is his hair is so straight. His hair is so straight. And like I said, from me, and then when you try to comb it down, it don't stay down. But I believe I can reroot him, to be honest. But I think when I root him, he's going to have wavy hair so that I can, so I will be able to give him some curl to it. His hair it comes out. I mean, you can't even use a, but I've had him for a couple of years as well. I don't know if that makes a difference. His paint is great. It's wonderful. Nothing missing on him. But to make him even a bald baby and take all his hair out, his head wasn't sanded. It was sanded, but not smooth. So it's not a good idea to do. The only thing, the artist told me she would redo his hair for me. But I'm afraid to send him out. So I haven't. But I'm thinking I might give it a shot. Can't be any worse than what he's already got. So I'm thinking maybe it's time for me to give rooting a shot. How bad can it be? See, this doesn't lay flat. But I leave a hat on him most of the time for that reason. And I think the hat makes his hair even worse. But, like, look, I'm being as gentle as I can be, and it's just falling. It's all over the toothbrush. It's like, wow. You know? Oh, well. He's still part of my collection, no matter what. But I don't want the sheet either. His head's damp, so I just stick that so he doesn't get the sheet all nasty. I really like him. It's just I don't like his hair. It drives me nuts. And you can give him a little whatever you want to call that. It's not but if you can see, I mean, I'm gentle and it just comes right out. But that's okay. He's got the cutest little mouth too. Like I said, he's really nicely done. I like him. Just wish he had a better head of hair. Now, I changed him, I think, within the last few days. So I'm not gonna give him a new t-shirt. Just gonna put something on him. That's cute. I think what we'll do is put this little cottage sleeper on that I picked up recently. And put that on him. We'll put this on him. Actually, looking. I'm seeing, yeah, we'll put this on him, but I have a couple of nice outfits that fit him for the spring. And they're from the UK, but they're not in that closet. I have to open up the other closet, and I can't get in the other closet because there's a Moses basket in the way. So, I mean, he even got it on his hands. James, get out of here. Go on. Beat it. Beat it, buddy. I'm just going to stick these on his hands as socks. Just so nothing happens while I'm putting his sleeper on. Just because. My cat trying to get in my doll closet. He's so nosy all the time. So nosy. Yeah. He even sucks his little, see his little tongue? But it looks like he's got that stuff I put on these nipples to get into his mouth easier. I know a lot of women use that. It's water-based, but it still collects in their mouth. Here we go. Not crazy about these sleepers that zip. Not for nothing. You know? I don't know. Could stick this on them too. That would match. More tags. You know? And he's a little guy, so. Just a little man. Kind of give you a better look of him. That's him. I kind of don't like this bib. Oops. There's that sock. Little sock. Sucks his little thumb. See if I can't find him a hat. I'm gonna try this little monkey hat on him. They call him my little monkey. No, I don't care for that either on him. But kind of cute, I guess. don't care for this bib. Anyway. Let me just look through this. I'll look through this container. Nope. No. Nope. I don't think this will fit him either. But it's cute. Green. Gray. He's got this one. It's white. I can put that one on him. I hate putting hats in. I usually put a hat and I leave it. Yeah, I like that better on him. Okay, sucks his thumb or his fingers. Alrighty then. So now he's all dressed and I got all this mess to clean up. But yeah, I think I'm going to try rooting him myself. You know. But he's sweet. There he is. Alright. Thanks for watching. And I'm still waiting on my doll. I think she's being shipped out today. Should probably take about a week for her to get here. I'll be surprised if she gets here any sooner. But I'll be doing a box opening when I do get her. It'll be fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.